I'm Miss Paula. Can you introduce yourself?
Hi, good day. I'm Alma Ponce. I'm 36 years old. I'm from Batangas City. I'm single.
How many siblings do you have?
I have 3 siblings and I'm youngest.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to help and provide the needs of my parents and to save the money for my future and want to build my future house and I want to create new business.
What is your education level?
I'm an undergraduate
Of?
of hotel and restaurant management 1 year.
Do you have friends or cousin or relative who is working also in Hong Kong?
Yes, ma'am. I have 2 relatives, 2 aunts.
Your living place will have a typhoon?
Sometimes, ma'am.
How long do you want to stay and work in Hong Kong?
As long as my employers want to stay.
When did you start working as a housemate? Where is the location?
First, I start working in her Philippines. I'm taking care 2 years old baby since 2010 to 2012. My main task is to taking care of the baby, to feeding him, to take a bath, to change her clothes, to change her diaper, and to wash her clothes. My second job is Taiwan. I taking care of the elderly 99 years old since 2017 to 2023. My main task is to help him to go to his home, to wash her body, to wash her bath, to change her clothes, to washing her clothes, to cook with him, and to taking care of him.
If you discover that a child has a high fever and you try calling the employer but no response, no answer, what is the next step you should handle?
First, I get the thermometer and then I check her temperature. If the temperature of the baby is 40 above, I bring him to the nearest clinic. And if the fever of the baby is low by 40, I take him paracetamol.
Okay? If a children are crying outside requesting you candies, chocolate, but the employer is not allowed to provide this, how would you handle this situation?
I talk to him that eating so much chocolate is bad for her teeth.
Taking care of an inborn involves round-the-clock attention, and waking up the nighttime feeding is common part of the routine. Do you think is this okay with you?
Yes, ma'am.
Burping an infant after milk feeding is essential to help them release trapped air and feel comfortable. How would you burp the baby? Could you show us?
Yes, ma'am. First, I wash my hand. Then, I get the clean towel and put on my shoulder. And then, I get the baby slowly and put to my shoulder and patting her back and wait for 5 to 15 minutes. After the baby finishes barking, I slow down the baby and put on her crib.
Do you have pet experience or are you afraid of animals?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Are you comfortable with cooking and meal preparation?
Yes, ma'am.
So what type of cuisine are you familiar with?
Filipino cuisine and Taiwan cuisine, ma'am.
Are you willing to learn Chinese cuisine?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you experienced in laundry and ironing?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you drive?
No, ma'am.
Would you mind sharing a room with the children or baby or elderly?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to work on weekends, holidays, just sometimes only?
Yes, ma'am.
If the rest day is not on Sunday, are you agreed on fixed holiday agreements?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you eat pork?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you smoke?
No, ma'am.
Do you drink alcohol?
No, ma'am.
Have you any prolonged illnesses or undergo surgery or you have maintenance?
None, ma'am.
Do you have message for your future employer?
Yes, my message for my future employer. I'm excited to work with you, and I'm serve with you, and I'm taking care of you. Thank you.
Thank you.